I'm Bask Iyer. I'm the CIO of VMware, and I'm pleased to welcome Robin Matlock, our CMO, to this conversation.
You're talking about innovation and disruption, right? And it seems to me your job is particularly challenging in how you navigate, like you said, what's a false wave? What's kind of a, hey, it's just the trend for today, but it's not really going to move business forward in the long haul. I mean, look at our business, our industry, right? We're in tech, and we know VMware had a great first decade, and we're on the journey to another great decade, but these are hard transitions to make as a technology vendor. I mean, I think that's true of many industries. I'm curious, you as a customer of VMware, how are you consuming our technologies, and how do you see our technologies and services helping you reinvent IT at VMware?
Well, first of all, people may not know this, but we can't close the books if there's a problem with our technology. We totally depend on our technology. The number of VMs we have running to do, financial close or new product development, it's just staggering. And when I've just recently taken this job, I come back and look at the volume of VMs we create on the fly in a month, and then we churn them and create new ones. That kind of stuff was not possible even a few years ago. So it's staggering the amount of technology that VMware technology we depend on to do my job. The second thing is that has already freed up some of my time. Already, the thing I talked to you about, having this hybrid cloud and having this internal cloud, has actually freed up my time to talk about things like this with you. 5 years ago, I would be running servers, and I would be in a data center. Not 10 years ago, I would be in data centers, and each server would be failing. The disaster recovery would be terrible. I'm sure there are some virtual machines that are failing right now as we speak, but I'm confident because there are 1,000 other virtual machines which are picking up where the other ones left. So we use that on a daily basis. The way we deliver all our end user computing, this is a complicated environment in VMware where you have a lot of technologies and they use a lot of tools, a lot of Mac users, a lot of PC users, and the Mac users want to use the PC tools and so on. So the fact that we have end user computing and we have Fusion and products like that helps me deliver all those value. And you know that I can't tell you which phone to use and when to use and what to do. You bring your own device company. So how do you handle that and then still make sure that security works and so on? So we're dependent on the tools that we make, like AirWatch, to make it happen. So it is actually nice. I feel like a kid in a candy store sometimes because I think I actually have the solutions and I can influence the solutions to take it to the next level. Yeah, but don't get it wrong. I absolutely cannot run VMware if the VMware products don't work. I'm totally dependent on them. And other partner products, but a lot of VMware products.
Right, which I'm obviously, as a CMO, I'm thrilled to hear that. And I think that's really vital that we digest our own technologies and we're there first.